How to fix X Twitter login error. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you will need to go ahead and simply check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you are already on mobile data, try switching back to Wi-Fi or using a different network. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons this error appears. Now let's give the app a fresh restart. Open up your settings, scroll below, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and then search for X application. Just like that, simply tap onto it, then tap on Upload app. Now tap on Upload app again. This will remove any temporary files causing the issue. Don't worry, it will not delete your account or post, just reset the app temporary files. After you upload it, make sure you tap on Reinstall application. Now head back to your home screen, open up your App Store. In the search bar, simply search for X, then search for it. Tap onto it and make sure it is updated. If you see any update button, tap onto it and simply update your application to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen and see if the problem is fixed or not. If you have tried all these steps and the error is still showing up, don't worry, there's one more fix. Simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. To do so, long press on the X app, tap on Remove app, tap on Delete app, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, head to the App Store and then reinstall the application. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.